Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey, so I'm telling you guys right now, I'm going on vacation and I found out we're leaving today at 4. Right now it's like, I don't know. Okay, it's 12. And I had to pack really quick, but we're going to Florida and I wanted to show you some of the makeup I was packing and how I'm gonna wear my makeup and everything. I'm just gonna give you a little haul of everything I'm bringing, and then after that I'm gonna do a full face of just everything how I'm gonna wear it, basically. Okay, starting off, by the way, this makeup is very like bronze, sun-kissed, I don't know, very light. I don't know, it's really nice. But I'm bringing my e.l.f. hydrating primer. I'm not bringing a foundation, but I am bringing this Instant Age Rewind concealer. It's very light. It looks very natural to my skin. Personally, it just does. Then I'm gonna be bringing my Rem Beauty blush, because I love this stuff. I have to film a update on TikTok, because TikTok thinks I hate that blush, but I don't. Just saying. This Mellow Cosmetics blush. I'm bringing it because it's small. It's not my favorite blush, but honestly, it's pretty. It's travel size. It's good, and it was very expensive, so. Then we have this Fit Me powder, just because I need something matte. Morphe X Avani Greg bronzer. This is the lightest bronzer I have. I wanted a light bronzer. It's shimmery too, so I don't have to bring a highlighter. Sorry if you hear my brother screaming. That's what they do. Sky High mascara. Love this. Best drugstore mascara. Chapstick. And some brushes. These are the brushes I'm bringing. e.l.f. foundation brush is the best foundation brush. I don't know. This Studio Selection Total Face Brush. I use it for bronzer. It was literally from Dollar Tree. Not Dollar Tree. It was from, like, Five Below, I think. I don't know. I have this one. Blush. I don't even know where I got that. Then I have this Real Techniques blush brush. This one is for liquid blush, so that's why I'm bringing it. But yeah, that's all the makeup I'm bringing. So now I'm going to do a full face. This is also what I do for like school or just natural makeup that I want during the day. Oh, also I'm bringing this Real Techniques sponge. Okay, I'm gonna get started with my e.l.f. primer. Just take that all over my face. Yeah, before I leave, I've been filming a lot of like extra content, just so for when I'm gone, I don't have to film YouTube videos, because I won't have my makeup set up with me, and I can just live. Okay, and I'm gonna use this Instant Age Rewind concealer. I let this dry down a tiny bit. I used a lot of primer on accident, so I'll note that for next time. But yeah, I kind of use a lot of concealer just because I don't have a foundation, and honestly, I love using this stuff for a good base. And really, it's a really light formula, so honestly, it really isn't that much, but just start off. Like, see, it looks very natural. This is one I use for school just because it's so beautiful. It's very light. Now I'm gonna go in with my Rem Beauty blush. Okay, at first I hated this stuff on TikTok, but it was actually the sponge I was using. I was using my e.l.f. sponge to blend it out, but this has a lot of texture and the Real Techniques one does not, and it was making my face like really patchy and stuff. But I also really like to use this brush. It's matte. I really, really love this blush. You can also use it as a lipstick, but this is not my lip color. Okay, now I'm gonna use the tiniest bit of this bronzer with this brush. I just put it on the side, see? Just for like that tan effect. See? And then my nose. I love the look of it so much. Especially like around my nose, I love to bring it out. I just love the look of it for some reason. See, look, it looks so sun-kissed. I love it. And I put some on my forehead. So pretty. Next to matte and everything, and to set, I'm using the Fit Me powder translucent. Use my blender and just set my under eyes. Okay, so now my face is looking matte and really nice and light. I take my Mellow Cosmetics blush just to go over my liquid blush and add color to my face. Ooh. Okay, this is looking really nice. I went a little heavy on the blush, so I'm taking Access powder just to go over it. I'm not bringing my e.l.f. setting spray, but I'm gonna set a little bit just so it stays all day. And also mattens it a little bit because I have a little bit greasy skin. Next, we're just gonna take a tiny bit of Sky High just so it looks natural. Like that. And that's it. And actually, since this is a light makeup look, I'm gonna use a tiny bit of this Rem lip and blush just to give my lips a little bit of a color. And this is the little dewy sunset, not sunset, but like sun-kissed vacation makeup look, all complete. Hope you guys just enjoyed this tiny tutorial and haul, like what I'm bringing and stuff. And I hope you guys have a really nice rest of your summer and going into fall. Love you.